Organic doesn't mean chemical-free. It just means the chemicals come from a different factory. Many people think organic means zero pesticides. That's the common myth. The truth, organic farms do use pesticides, but they come from natural sources. Natural doesn't always mean safer. Some natural pesticides are used in higher doses than synthetic ones. Organic is about the source of chemicals, not the absence of chemicals. Both conventional and organic produce are exposed to chemicals. The difference is just where they come from. This doesn't mean organic is useless. It can reduce exposure to some synthetic chemicals. But it also doesn't make it completely chemical-free or magical. Overthinking organic can make eating plants feel complicated. Instead, focus on washing your produce thoroughly. It removes residues effectively. Eat more vegetables. Variety matters more than whether every leaf is certified organic. Organic is a helpful choice, but it's not a safety guarantee. Remember, chemicals exist everywhere: soil, air, water, conventional or organic. Don't get lost in labels. Eating well is simple. Wash, eat, enjoy. Eating plants shouldn't be complicated. Organic or not, simple, easy, actually.